Ladies and gentlemen, gather around. I hope you're ready to hear about a bike that's not only fun to ride, but might just make you look cooler than you already are. The Aventon Sinch.2. Now, I don't know about you, but I've seen my fair share of folding bikes, and let me tell you, most of them fold into a shape that's only useful if you're trying to store it in a closet designed by a Tetris champion. But this bike? It folds into a package that's actually practical and, believe it or not, looks cool doing it. Now, before you hit that subscribe button, which by the way, you definitely should, let me share this. When I first hopped on the Sinch.2, I felt like a superhero. I mean, who needs a cape when you have a 500-watt motor under your feet, right? But seriously, this bike is built for comfort, style, and power, all rolled into one. If you've ever tried to fold up a bike and then thought, is it going to survive the next 5 minutes in my trunk? Well, the Sinch.2 isn't that kind of bike. Now, let's dive into the juicy details. The Sinch.2 weighs in at 68 pounds, about 30 kilograms, so it's not a lightweight by any means, but with that power, you won't mind. It's powered by a 500-watt rear hub motor and a 48-volt, 14-ampere-hour battery with LG cells. The advertised range is up to 55 miles, 88 kilometers, but let's be real, unless you're riding on a flat, sunny day in a perfect world, you might want to expect a bit less. In high assist mode or using throttle, expect to get around half of that range, but you'll still be cruising comfortably. Speaking of comfort, let's talk about those fat 4-inch wide tires. I know what you're thinking. Are we riding a bike or a tank? But in reality, these bad boys give you an incredibly smooth ride, even over bumps. You'd think you were floating over the ground instead of riding on it. And when you start pedaling, the motor kicks in with the power of a small herd of elephants. I kid you not. It's smooth, it's quick, and you'll feel like you could take on any hill without breaking a sweat. Despite its short wheelbase, the Sinch.2 delivers some seriously stable handling. Small wheels and folding bikes usually scream unpredictable, but this one sticks to the road. Whether you're cruising through your neighborhood or dodging that unexpected pothole, the Sinch.2 is balanced and responsive. And the folding mechanism? Simple as pie. 2 levers, fold the pedals, and boom! It folds down to 20 inches by 24 inches by 32 inches, 51 centimeters by 61 centimeters by 81 centimeters, ready to fit into your trunk or closet without a fuss. Price-wise, this bike is $1,699 United States dollars. Not bad, right? I think the price is pretty fair considering the quality you're getting, but it's definitely not the cheapest in the market. Still, if you're looking for a stylish and powerful folding e-bike that can handle some serious work, this could be the one for you. Don't forget to check out the official link in the description and hit that subscribe button so we can keep the good stuff rolling.